In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change file accessing permissions in Google Drive. Whether you're sharing important documents with a team or granting viewing rights to friends and family, handling permissions effectively is crucial to keep your files secure and accessible only to the right people. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to head over to Google Drive. Open your web browser and type in Drive, google.com. This will take you to the home page of Google Drive, where you'll see all your files neatly organized. Now, look for the specific file or folder whose permissions you want to change. It could be a document, a spreadsheet, or any folder containing numerous files. Once you've found your file or folder, it's time to open the Share settings. You can do this in two straightforward ways. One option is to right-click on the file or folder and then select the Share option, which is conveniently marked by a small icon that looks like a person with a plus sign. Alternatively, if you've selected the file or folder by clicking on it once, you'll notice a Share icon has appeared in the top right corner of your screen. Give that a click, and you'll arrive at the Share settings window. Now, let's move on to managing individual user access. In this section of the Share settings, titled Share with People and Groups, you'll see a list of everyone you've explicitly shared the file with. Maybe you've added collaborators, or perhaps just given your boss viewing rights. If you need to adjust these settings, here's how. First, locate the person in the list whose access you intend to modify. Next to their name or email address, you'll find a drop-down arrow showing their current role, such as editor, viewer, or commenter. Give that arrow a click, and several options will unfold before you. You have the choice to assign a new role. The viewer role allows the person to only view the file. Nothing more, nothing less. If viewing and commenting are both needed, select the commenter role. For full access, including the ability to make changes, choose the editor option. And if you need to entirely revoke their access, simply select the Remove Access option, which will remove any permission previously granted to that individual. Finally, once you've made all necessary changes, make sure to click Save or Done to ensure your adjustments are applied. This step is essential, as you wouldn't want to go through the steps only to have nothing happen due to a missed save. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on changing file accessing permissions in Google Drive. With these steps, you can manage who gets to do what with the files you've shared, all while keeping your data secure. Thanks for tuning in, and happy sharing.